so we got the VGA cable, and we're gonna give this a try. And turn on the monitor. Hit power. We got the thing spinning. All right, and I'm gonna try to change the input here on my monitor. Because right now I'm seeing just the regular Hive. Alright, let's see here. Alright, so we're back. It wasn't booting. I had the RAM over here, and I moved the RAM to the first spot, and then I put the RAM here in the second spot. And as we can see now, we have some VGA. So now we'll see what we can do. It looks like there's a memory issue. So we'll see from here what we can, maybe we can get a keyboard and then put Hive and read through this, and this will be a really cool little rig setup that we got. All right, we made it to the boot menu, and I'm gonna see if I can get the USB to boot. Looks like it's gonna work. We'll hit Hive, and it looks like the 800G, or yeah, a 800G1 Hewlett Packard motherboard might be a viable option here for setting up a test rig or a mining rig. Maybe, possibly, you'd have access to 1, 2, 3, 4. This is PCI 3. I think these are two twos, and that's also a 2 or a 1. I will double check. So that's pretty cool. I did buy one of those, a few of those cards that extend for the risers. I know people say it's not really useful, but I also got this switch right here that I'll connect to this board just to get it on Hive. Recap, the fan was spinning hard, not because it didn't have, not because of the paste connection that I talked about in the early video, in the previous video, but mainly because I just got a black screen, even though I had the VGA connected, and there's something wrong maybe with one of these readers, and that's when there's a hardware problem. It seems that this board just has a black screen and then just spins up the fan really fast. So that's pretty cool here. So don't plug in this 6-pin to here, because things will pop, they will explode. So I think I just damaged the test rig, so we're gonna have to get some new motherboards. It's still alive, so that's good. So I wanted to experiment if you can put just a 6-pin PCI to the 6-pin PSU, but when I did that, a bunch of stuff like popped. So if we look here, there's these 2 cables that are different color towards the end, so that might be why. So you have to get a Pico or ATX power supply so that you can, but you have to buy this converter thing for this motherboard, which converts a ATX 24-pin into a 6-pin and then a PS1. But I'm shocked that this works so far. Let's see. We'll start boot up Hive. My mind's kind of blown because it blew up. Like literally, there was a lot of popping, and then there's some smells. So maybe I messed up the PCIe connectors, so that would suck. But as far as it working, that's pretty crazy. All right, so I'm gonna add to this video like the breakdown of what you need to put this rig together, and actually put a video card on it and make sure that it all runs. So maybe I'll do that next. I don't want to stop my rig right now to do that, but I might have to play around with that.